Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie.
Hey, good morning. I'm Candace. Welcome back. Today's Tuesday.
No, it's not.
Oh my gosh.
You are so far off.
Look, I stayed up way past my bedtime last night because I'm watching Big Brother, and man, this is the best season ever.
Is it?
And I'm trying to catch up because I missed like the last 3 or 4 episodes, so I was catching up. But man, it's good. So yeah, I was up like way too late, and I'm so tired and groggy this morning. And today is Thursday.
You're 2 days off.
Yeah.
That's how unemployed you are. Yeah, it is Thursday. We have, I think, 12 orders to pull, maybe like 15 items total. And, you know, I've got some, I don't know, what are your plans today? Did you have any plans when you walked in here?
I need to list those posters.
Oh yeah, those are cool.
You want to get a peek? I'll show you the one I'm keeping.
I think we've shown them. So
we have 5, and I'm keeping this one. They're all various dogs playing poker. But poker.
Look, it's Poker Sympathy. Look, this dog. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
He's got a bad beat. He's had 4 aces, and he got beat by a straight flush, and they're laughing at him.
Look. This dog has a straight flush. It looks like he has a deuce to 6 straight flush here, and
yeah,
2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's it. He's got the straight flush and diamonds, and he's got quad aces with the deuce kicker, and he cannot believe it. Look,
and I love. It looks like, you know how dogs look like they're laughing when their mouths are open. I love that.
Look at this. Look at that dog. That look at all these dogs. Oh my god.
So yeah, I'm keeping that one, but I have 4 others. They're various dog playing poker scenes like this, and they look like they sell about 18 a piece, so I'm just gonna lot up all 4, and so they only need to be shipped one time.
Yes, thank you.
You know,
appreciate that.
I'm thinking about $50, maybe give somebody a good deal.
That's what we think.
Yeah.
Give us a good deal too.
Yeah.
I am going to.
Oh, and I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I have one more thing I'm gonna do after I get those listed. It's
what?
Not gonna be listing. I'm gonna reorganize our hat boxes.
Thank you.
We have the starting lineup up there. I'm gonna combine 2 into 1 and use one of those. So I have 3 of these Baker's boxes I can use under there.
Okay, and we're gonna have hat box 1, 2, and 3, or A, B, and C.
Just so it's easier to find.
A lot of these, this could probably look like half as many as it currently does.
Okay.
I could pull them down for you later on the bench, and you can work with it if you want.
Yeah.
I'm targeting this camera today, this camera today. I have a binder of various cards that I'm going to auction. Then I'm also going to work with these stamp books, and then I don't know what else after that, but that's every day when we come in.
Did you list the speakers yet?
I still haven't decided. Screw it. I'm just gonna go ahead and list them. I don't need them. I really don't. I just don't need them.
Oh, I thought you decided to sell the bows.
Oh, stop it. Don't complicate things. Just let me do what I'm gonna do. But yeah, most days when we come in, we kind of have a loose idea of like projects we want to, as far as listing, right?
Yep. Yeah. The shelf is getting to be where there's things I don't want to list.
Well, if we keep walking by them too many times, then we'll just give them away.
Like, what do I do with these?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why.
Just a thermostat.
I don't. Well, you hook it up to an air conditioner or something, I guess. But I don't know. I shouldn't have bought that.
There's probably, I'm gonna research that on YouTube. I'm gonna do you proud and find a way to test them.
I mean, I can hook it up
to our air conditioner,
but I don't want to do that. Yeah.
No.
All right, let's pull some orders. We got, like I said, we got 12 orders going out. 6 Bravo. We have a book. Here we go. The Treasury of Daily Prayer. I did take a fairly low offer on this. I took a $40 plus shipping on top offer on that. Got this super cheap, almost free. All right, if y'all watched the last few videos, in Small's drawer have that Wii Sports disc only. Sold that for $14.99 plus ship. And then from that same deal, same Wii deal, sold these 2 Wii Motes with Wii Motion Plus inside for how much? $31.99 plus ship for those. I sold some HBA from CC8. Well, it's not really from our HBA buy. It's really earplugs. I don't know how many. I don't know if it's supposed to be all of these or what.
10 boxes.
4 or 5? Yeah, it's all 10 of those. $9.74 plus shipping on top for those. Sold a comic book. It's a Witchblade comic, number 44. It's gonna be the head here. Here we go. Witchblade. Is it signed or anything? No, but you see at the bottom, Emerald City Comic Con limited convention exclusive. This comic sold for $11.24 plus shipping on top. This next one is the auction for all the little miniatures, RPG type miniatures. And on that video, I got Candace to guess, and then I guessed what it was going to end for. Candace, what did you guess?
125.
And I guessed, I think 146 or something.
You were between, yeah, you were around 140 to 150. I don't remember.
Yeah, so Candace nailed it like within $2.50.
Yeah.
So it sold for $127.50 to Foxtrot. That must be it here, I think. Yeah, this is it. $127.50 plus ship, and it's right here. It's I'm gonna pop it open just to double check, but I know Candace put a lot of time into packing all the figs up in bubble wrap. So happy with that. It sat on the this stuff was on this unlisted shelf, I believe, for what, a year maybe. Close to a year probably.
Yeah.
So I was glad to move that, and it's some good stuff too. Okay, guide drawer. We have some this is interesting. We have some pencil huggers that are, here we go. Who is this? That's Bush.
Bush and Dukakis.
Bush and Dukakis right here. There's Bush back there. There's Dukakis. These are from 1988, and they sold for $8.24. And I guess they ride on your pencil like that. All right, in the hat box here, we sold this LSU hat. Really nice hat too, in great condition. Sold this for $9.99 plus ship. Probably paid about $1 for that. Go ahead and pull one more thing. This round sold, this thing. This is a Sony Discman type thing, and it had a bad channel. It wouldn't play on either the left or right channel. I can't remember. So I still sold it. I just didn't want to throw it away because it's Sony and it's cool looking. This is like that. This is like one of the really later ones. $5.49 it ended up selling for plus shipping. Just not that many people would want to get this broken. So I was lucky I got anything, I guess. Okay, One Bravo. We sold some cards. It's out of this box here. Let's see if I can find them pretty easy. I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a patch card for Terry McLaurin. I don't know, is it graded? No, it's not even graded. So. Sheldon Rankins, basketball player. Here we go. That's it. Terry McLaurin. I think he got a new deal or went to a different team. Something happened with him. I don't know. This sold for $8.49 plus ship. All right, I'm packing away. We are going to pull a few more things here in just a minute. Have a big order. But one thing, if you do resell on eBay or you've done it for a while, sometimes you have to get creative when you're displaying your products, especially if you just sell like a wide variety of stuff. It's really hard to be ready for all listing situations or photography situations. So what you got going, Candace?
Well, we talked about these dogs playing poker posters, so I'm like, okay. I tried like laying them on this poster board, and I took like batteries to weigh them down. That just looks horrible. And when I took a photo from above, you couldn't see the corners, which is important, corners and edges. So I came up with this. We have this foam board, and these are the strong earth magnets.
Rare earth magnets, neodymium.
They're always good to have around.
Or neodymium.
We always have them around for stuff. And so what I did is I measured out where I wanted my placement for each of the prints, just so the corners would still show. And I just taped some on the opposite side. And it's working great. Let me show you. So we're just going to slide one off. And it finds the magnet. Just pop it on there.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Those are so strong. Like, they're so strong, you got to be really kind of careful with them because they'll pinch you.
Yes.
Pretty bad.
Yes. And there we go. Look at that. You can see all
awesome.
the edges and corners.
That looks fantastic.
Yep.
There will be somebody, if you don't mention it, there will be somebody, why are there little metal things on the picture?
Yeah. We sold a poster that had some little round magnets hanging on the wall, kind of the same fashion, but it was on the wall, and they thought it was holes in the poster. So
yeah,
I'll say in the description, hey, what you see on the poster is just magnets holding it up.
there you go.
Yeah.
That is cool. A Waterloo. I don't even know what that means.
I don't know. Waterloo. Wasn't that a battle?
Yeah, but yeah.
So that's a battle, right?
Yeah. Boy, that dog is really getting into it.
It looks like he's just won. He's raking it in.
The bulldogs always look so mad.
I know. He's got slobber coming down.
I know. Look at the collie. He's just up there chilling.
They're always happy. He's got a cigar too. Anyway, yeah, and so I've got 4 photos. I'm going to take them in square mode so that I can make a collage for the main
Why
photo.
did you say square mode like that?
Square mode? What did I say?
Just like that. You did like a little shake or something.
Because it's fancy.
Squares are fancy?
Square.
Squares are one of the most basic.
I'm going to do square mode.
Yeah, so you can make your nice little...
A square collage with the 4 prints.
Okay, we just got one more order left, but there are 5 things on this order. First thing, this is really cool. This is One Echo. This is a Monopoly game, but it's in French. It's in this box here. There were a bunch of those. A bunch of these Monopoly games on eBay. But yeah, it's really good condition too. Except for the box. The box is has a little bit of wear to it. $19.99 plus shipping on top for that. The 9 Charlie, we have a Reaganomics doll. Which we've had this for a pretty good while. I see it back there. Here it is. Demand side, supply side. Rags to riches, Reaganomics doll. Trickle down. Y'all remember that? 9 Delta, we have some Westworld figs on card, I believe. Ah, I see it back here. That's probably been listed a little while. Have to dust this sucker off. Dolores and Arnold Westworld. I think that's a loot. Yeah, it's a loot crate thing. Super Emo Friends. Pulled this box down. There's supposed to be a Charles Barkley in here. Number D4. 2D5. Bet this is it. No. D4. Here we go. That's Charles Barkley in Houston Rockets garb. 1996. And one more thing. Oh, it's in here, I think. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so somehow we happened upon in our death pile at one point all of these Marshawn Lynch rookie cards. There's a whole stack of, like, how many's in here? 69 Marshawn Lynch rookie cards are in here. Marshawn Lynch had a pretty bad weekend this past weekend. But yeah, everything right here, one order. I'm testing this jam box out right now. This has been over there for a while. I just peeled a $5 sticker off of it, so that's what I paid for it. Probably wasn't worth it. One of those things where it sounds pretty good.
Equipment in stock. like it was your birthday every other Saturday night.
Calling all hippies and cowboys.
All hippies and cowboys. And now, this is what I played just a second ago. The tape, it has a tape deck. There was a tape in it. And it's kind of weird. You hear those noises? No, sometimes they have a, oh wait, I accidentally fast forwarded. I meant to reverse it. But
what is that?
it's a very odd tape. Ooh. Oh, it started eating it. Oh no. All right. It was working. I guess I need to clean in there a little bit.
Yeah.
It's a symphony for whales. So they use whales along with orchestra music to make this tape.
Do they play it for whales?
I don't know.
It says for whales.
I don't know.
Do whales like to listen to music?
I don't know. I don't know anything about whales. All I know is there's a tape that was playing whale music just now. This sort of kind of works. I need to clean it up a bit. I don't even know what it's worth. Okay, I just looked it up and it's worth about 30 bucks, and you know, which is whatever because I only paid $5 for it. But now I'm kind of committed to spending about 15 minutes cleaning the thing. So I wish I wouldn't have bought it, but now I'm going to sell it. Candace is working on what, some
Hot Wheels.
how's that memory card taste?
I'm doing some Hot Wheels. This is Redline era Hot Wheels track and accessories. Like these are little stacking trestles, so you could use it single, or if you wanted a real high ramp, you could stack them.
It's scary the amount of trivia you find out whenever you're listing stuff. Here's some other pieces of that. I've been working on a few things too. One of the really good deals we got this past weekend was this Nintendo Switch Pro controller. We do actually have a Switch. We have an issue with it though that I've been needing to take a look at it. It won't power up, and I'm sure I can figure it out. I just haven't had time to mess with it yet. But we don't have a way to test this if that thing's not powering up. So funny enough, it can actually connect to a Macintosh or a PC or whatever because it's Bluetooth. All I had to do was just press this little button right here next to the USB-C port, and I was able to connect to it with Bluetooth. And then what I want to tell y'all about though is if you're testing gamepads with a PC or a Mac or something like that, and you can connect that gamepad to your Mac, this works on pretty much anything I ever connect to this computer. This gamepad tester, gamepad-tester.com is the website, and it is awesome because once I've connected this to the Mac, I'm able to totally check out every motion, every button or whatever on this controller, and yeah, everything works fine. But that's a lot easier than having to actually go fix the fix the Switch. So wanted to share that with y'all because I've used this website a lot over the years. I've also used keyboard testing site a lot whenever I've sold keyboards, so I wanted to share those with y'all. But that's going to be it for this one. Thanks a lot for joining us today in the shed, and we will see y'all again very soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.